My power window switch been acting up. Sometimes when I try to open driver's side front window, have to push it hard 5-10 times for it to start work. I think issue is inside the switch. I'm gonna remove it, see if I can clean it. If not, I'll replace it. We'll start by removing Phillips screw here and here. Now I'm gonna remove this. Now I'm gonna remove door panel completely. I'm gonna unplug this connector right here. Got those two removed. I'm gonna remove this one at the bottom. And those two right here. Kind of weird way to remove this connector, but it looks like I'm gonna have to remove the switch first. Really crappy. Actually, instead of removing stuff here, just remove it from here. Now we can remove this panel. Here we're gonna remove two Phillips head screws. Push this inwards. Switch should come out of here. Now I'm gonna unplug this one. I'll remove those three Phillips screws. And remove rest of this tape. And the switch definitely looks dirty inside. You could see a bunch of crap here. But I'm still gonna take it apart to see if I can clean it. Or if it's too dirty or I don't find anything that's wrong with it, I'll just buy a used one. Actually looks really clean inside. There is literally nothing to clean, so I don't know why it was acting up. So I'll just order a used replacement. Only place where I can see it been acting up is right here, if some dirt got here. But that's about it. Got used window switch from eBay. Came with this piece. Tape surrounding the actual switch box. By the way, I'd recommend you get one that includes everything. Just because if you get just a switch box, you'll have to either find the tape or install it without tape. I'm not sure how important that tape is, but I think it might keep the switch box clean from dust and a bunch of crap going inside the switch box. I'm gonna push those cables through, plug those connectors in. Now we can install the door panel. When installing, remember that blue one goes on top, black one on the bottom. Black metal ball is a bit bigger, so you won't be able to connect it to the top one anyway. Now with everything connected, gonna insert the panel on this metal piece, lay it on top of it. Then just push all the clips in. Now I'm gonna start the vehicle and just check, make sure it's working. So now we have to reset the window switch. As you can see, it goes down, up, it goes just in increments. Also, the auto down button doesn't work. So I'm gonna put it up, lower it one bit, put it up and hold it for 10 seconds. Let's see if it works now. And now it does. That was super easy. Just keep in mind that, like I said before, it doesn't have to be in a halfway, it could be just a little bit. As long as you push up and it closes it completely and you hold for about 10 seconds, that should do the trick. Well, that's it. That's how you replace window switch on 2010 to 2014 Subaru Outback. It should be very similar on newer and older Outback models as well. I'll provide affiliate links to window switch tools I used to get this project done. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.